back, guys. Now what we're going to do in this video, we're going to transfer our website that we've created so far from my onlinemedicine.bg subdomain to its brand new domain, which is DRTSWebWorks.com. For the particular reason of transferring the website, we're going to install a plugin called All-in-One WP Migration. So it has an extension for which we need to pay for, and big shout out to these guys because they're like doing an amazing job. So I have already downloaded long time ago the plugin from SurfMask, so I need to update it now. Let's get it updated and then we'll transfer the website and we'll see how it goes from 1C panel, which is in my jump.pg hosting, to the hosting gear H panel. I have already purchased the domain, I have already installed the WordPress installation there, and I'm gonna show you how to transfer the files. Right, let's dive into it. Of course, at some point we'll have a message here to update as well, because I've downloaded the plugins when I purchased them. But very quickly, I want to show you something. This is the official website, SurfMask. Big shout out to these guys, they're amazing product. Let me show you very quickly about them. So and it's really worthy to buy this extension. It's only $69, but honestly it provides backups, it provides so much, and this is not a sponsored video. I'm just giving you an honest feedback because I use this plugin for so long. So SurfMask have no idea what I'm doing at the moment. They have no idea that I'm recording this and I'm doing this big shout out to them, but they deserve it. Right, let's go back to the plugin section here. So we have the All-in-One WP Migration Unlimited extension installed. So let's export our current installation. So we just hover over All-in-One WP Migration and export it. Then we click on File. It prepares to export. Now we have our file ready for, which is already exported and it's ready for download. So let's download it on our local system and then we will be ready to transfer it to onto our new domain and new WordPress installation. Right, so I'm going to download it now. Our file is downloaded onto our local machine, so let's transfer it now. We are now in our installation, local installation, DRTSWebWorks.com. In hosting gear, it's really brand new one, installations. Right, we're ready to go. So we go on the plugin section and we do exactly the same. Let's install our All-in-One WP Migrate plugins. We'll hover again on here, then we'll click on import. Then it will ask us to upload a file from our local machine, and we're going to wait now for some time. Right, we're ready to go, so we need to click on proceed now. And now we're ready to go. When we click on dashboard or refresh or anything, it should log us out and ask us to log in back again. And voila, we're in. Right, so our website is absolutely ready. We are on our new domain, DRTSWebWorks.com. We can go and check our website, how it looks like at the moment, which is what we've done in the past. What I'm going to do now is I'm basically going to delete everything from here and I'm going to create a brand new website, which I will use another technology for this one, but you will see this in the next video. So let me delete everything. delete everything, or at least I want to delete it, but you don't have to. You can use it as it is, and that's it. We have an empty page. That's it. Our website is empty. Now I can use a different technology, which you will see in the next video. Stay safe, guys. Look after yourself. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, share this video with your community, with your friends, so you can see how to actually transfer a website from cPanel to HPanel and vice versa, and any other way. This is the easiest way to transfer from one hosting to another, regardless what they use, cPanel or something else.